Here's the solution to Melham's Math 252 quiz number 2. All right, number 1, find the volume of the solid obtained by rotating the region bounded by y equals e to the x, y equals 0, which is the x-axis, x equals -2, and x equals 2. And you revolve about the x-axis, says use the disk method. So slice like so. So that's simply pi r squared, pi y squared. So then you go from -2 to 2 of pi e to the x squared. The radius is y, e to the x squared dx. So take out the pi, that's e to the 2x. All right, so the integral of e to the 2x, it's the chain rule in reverse. If I ask for the derivative of e to the 2x, you would say e to the 2x times 2. So therefore I want to integrate, it's e to the 2x divided by 2 or multiplied by half. So pi times 1/2 e to the 2x from -2 to 2. And again, you can double check what's the derivative of 1/2 e to the 2x. It would be 1/2 e to the 2x times 2 by the chain rule, and that 2 knocks out the half, and you have your original e to the 2x. All right, so that's pi over 2. Plug in 2, e to the 4th. Plug in -2, e to the -4th. So that's my answer. In case you're wondering, no, you are not allowed to integrate from 0 to 2 and double the answer because you do not have the symmetry, right? Clearly, you don't have the same amount of area under the curve between -2 and 0 as you would from 0 to 2. So you can't do that trick of saying, oh, -2 to 2, I'll just go 0 to 2 and double the answer. That's only if you have a symmetric situation, but here you don't have such symmetry. So we leave it like this, pi over 2, e to the 4 minus e to the -4. Okay, number 2, use the shell method, cylindrical shells. Determine the volume of the region bounded by y equals x to the 4th. X-axis means y equals 0. X equals 1 and x equals 3. And you spin about the y-axis. X equals 1, x equals 3, y equals x to the 4th. You're spinning this way. So my slice is going to be delta x. You don't want delta y. I got to actually be harder, but that would be the washer method, right? But this gives me a shell. Imagine taking that thin thing and spinning it about an axis. There's a hole in the middle. You end up with a shell. So that's going to be circumference times height times thickness. So 2 pi r, which is x, h, which is y. So 2 pi r, x, h, which is y, but what is y? X to the 4th. All right, take out the 2 pi, x to the 5th dx. So that should be pretty easy. 2 pi x to the 6th over 6 from 1 to 3. 2 pi over 6 is pi over 3. 6 there. Okay, plug in 6, 3 to the 6. Plug in 1, 1 to the 6. 3 to the 6, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 729 minus 1 to the 6 is 1. Final answer is 728 pi over 3. All right, so this is quiz 2 of Math 252.